Here's a pair of these Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these earbuds in the pairing mode. The buds are currently in the case. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, however, I get a green solid light and then it's going to turn off. So for myself, let me manually put this in pairing mode. If I look on the back here, there's a button here. With the earbuds in the case, I'm going to press and hold and just wait until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So here's the button. Press and hold now. Keep holding. Wait. Blue, 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 blue. Now go ahead and let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our Chromebook and just go directly to your settings. Let me select that, and I'm going to go to settings, and then you want to go directly to your Bluetooth. So I'm going to select Bluetooth right there, and then I'm going to tap down, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on over here, and I'm going to select pair new device. And now that little thing that's spinning across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about Bluetooth range is about 35 feet, and it did find the LinkBuds right there. I'm going to select it. It says pairing. And voila, it said it is now connected. And you can also see it's connected on here as well. So there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these buds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.